Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to fly a helicopter in Brookhaven. You guys must have noticed this house from one of my videos. Now you can see the helicopter from a distance now. I brought up this video so players in Brookhaven can be able to fly in helicopter in Brookhaven. I have entered the helicopter. The helicopter has started. Now tap on this button, as you see me tapping on right now. So now that's how you fly in helicopter. You guys don't forget to like and subscribe to Reagan X first. The account I'm using now in Roblox is my first account, which is Toy62, and my second account is Golden Master X 5000. Don't forget to friend me on Roblox.